Okay, we got a couple of different new age tools to remove and replace the rivets on these type of saws, whether a small cordwood or larger slasher saw or the firewood processing. This tool here, you can see, has an in and out mode. You pick it up and rotate it over. It's quite simple. The thing here, the motivation of making these is to save time and knuckles. Now here we got the clamshell. The clamshell has the drive pin that's free floating. We have replacements. The free floating, first the ball goes in, and then the pin goes in and has a centering, and we have an Allen screw in the bolt here that comes down and bottoms out, not against here, but bottoms out in the thread, so that this rotates. Well, actually it doesn't rotate at all, but the bolt rotates in. The biggest thing is the tool to take them out. We have this design, and you'll see all what you need is a bolt and the lever, and you're saving a lot of cussing. So we're going to use the Kodiak teeth. There's none other than these that are the best. They're consistent, and we'll do the job here with Lily. We get the pin that goes in, and then the pin rests against the bottom of the tooth there. That lever over, down, and a 3/8 Allen wrench. Tighten it, okay. This is the drive pin. This takes the rivet out.
Listen, we are here to share the new method of changing Kodiak style teeth that Mother Nature wants us to practice. With these two patented tools, my 10-year-old sister will show you how easy your future will be when you need to change out Kodiak teeth. You will enjoy this new age method as it will enable more pleasant thoughts forward while harvesting her fruits. These two tools are now available for you and every service truck and maintenance shop of logging crews of all wood processing.
Now the rivet just fell out. Rivet's out. Now yeah. There. The rivet disappeared. There it is. It's over there. See, gone. Okay, now we'll pull out the shank. All right, we'll do another one. See the brass pin driver? Here's that rivet that fell out. The rivet's out on that one too. Alright, now the tool. Now, we took them out when it's on this side. Now we're going to put them in, so we have to flip it over. So we'll be working from this side and using these other bolts, these compressing bolts. This is the compressing. Now you got the rivets in. That's in. Okay. Take it out.